Welcome back to the channel DM with Cole, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to create a playlist. In this video I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to create a playlist. Let's jump onto the laptop and get right into it. So the first way to create a playlist on YouTube is to go into your YouTube studio and head down to the playlists tab on the left hand side. And you can see a whole lot of the playlists that we have created on our channel here. We're going to head up to the top right and we're going to select new playlist. We're going to call it keyword research on YouTube and make sure that it is public and then click create. If you want a private playlist to an unlisted playlist, go to visibility and you can change it from public to private, or if you want it unlisted so you can still share it with some people but it's not on the public domain, then you can select unlisted. The second way for you to create a playlist is to head into your content, and while you're editing a video, if you click on that pencil icon to edit the details of the video, if you head below your description, there's a playlists tab and you can select down on the playlists. Now you can add a video to playlists you have already created. So let's add it to that keyword research on YouTube playlist that we created, and you can click done. And then if we head back in there, what we can do is head onto the left hand side at the bottom and select new playlist. And we're going to call it YouTube keyword research. Okay, and then you can change the visibility. Like we said, you can have it public so everyone can see it and it can rank within YouTube search. This is the one that I would recommend. If you don't want it to be public, you can change it to private or unlisted. That's completely up to you. We like to keep it as public so that our playlists can rank in search. People can find our playlists and save them, and this leads them to watching more of your videos because they're going to watch it in a playlist. They're going to start binge watching your content instead of just watching one video. So I'd really advise you, for every single video you create on YouTube, create 3 to 5 playlists that are relevant for the topic that you have created. So we're going to create that playlist by clicking on the bottom right create button and then click done so that it saves. Now make sure once you've created your new playlist, you do head up to the right hand side and click on that save button, otherwise it doesn't save any of your changes. Now the third way for you to create a new playlist is while you're watching a video on YouTube. So while you're watching a video on YouTube, if you head down next to the share button there, and for those of you watching this video, make sure you smash that share button and share your video with some of the friends that will enjoy this. Next to that share button that you've just used to share the video, click on the save button with the 3 lines there. That's going to allow you to add the video to a playlist, and you can add it to your current playlist. And then at the bottom, it's going to have a button to create a new playlist. And we're going to call this keyword research for YouTube videos. Okay, and there is the privacy. You can have it as private, you can have it unlisted, and you can have it as public. We're going to have that as public and then click on that create button. And you're going to see it is added to our new playlist. If you have any questions or queries about creating playlists on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if there are any other videos you'd like us to create to help you grow your YouTube channel, let us know in the comment section down below. And then make sure you subscribe so that you can see the new videos that we're creating just for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.